Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jack McGrath with TJM Brokerage. Well, it's kind of the Friday roundup today where we've seen some decent sized moves in gold, making a new low on the daily. One level that I want to pay attention to is the 200-day moving average, 200-week moving average, which comes in around 1467.40. I think that is going to be your first support level to look at in the gold. If we start to take that out, I like to look at closes below like averages or retracements. But if we started to close below there, then you would look for the next level down at 1432. We've also seen the euro currency has made a nice move higher. If you today tested the 100-day moving average at 131.45, and if you look at the retracements from the high of the move 137.31 down to the low of the move 127.51, if we start to take out this 100-day moving average, I think you look at 50% retracement, which is 132.41, and that'll be your next level to look at. And then we could measure even higher. That we'll look at the 61.8 once we get through the 50%. Now, the bonds, we made the recommendation yesterday off by the dip off the auction. It actually worked out very well. We saw this move in the 30-year overnight, and today this 147.16 high. You do run into small congestion here. If we start to get above there, you're looking at the 148 even to 02, and then back to the contract high. So keep an eye on that. If we started to leak, if we fail from here, 147.02 would be your next support coming back down, and then 146.23. So we'll watch. We want to see good closes. We like to see the bonds close on the high end of the range. Then you'd look for another leg up if that happens. 10-year, same type of trade. This 133 even to even and a half is kind of where we stopped. If we started to get above there, I have 05 and a half as the next small level. And then if we took that out, look for another leg up. On the downside, the 10-year, you do have a lot of support on the way down. So, I mean, I would keep an eye on the correlation type of trade, and that's the question you got to ask: is gold driving this move in the S&Ps, which in turn has pushed the bonds higher? So if we see that kind of a reversal, you'd look for the bonds to correct. But I think you got to be in buy dip mood. Government in buying treasuries, and Japan in buying treasuries is going to keep a bid and support in both of the treasury markets. So that's it for today. Happy Friday, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.